How to check AirPods warranty. So there are actually two steps in checking the AirPods warranty. First is by opening your settings. Go to your Bluetooth right here. Scroll down and look for the AirPods that you have. Make sure that your AirPods is connected to your device. Click on the I button right here and scroll down and look for the coverage right here. So as you can see, my coverage now has been expired, which means that my warranty has already ended. And then for the second step or the second option, you may go to your Safari or your Chrome, go to checkcoverage.apple.com, and you need to have the serial number. So you may look for your serial number by checking on this one right here. So I think you need to have the box of your AirPods if you still have it, or you may also go to your settings and look for your serial number. So type in the serial number right here, type in the code, click on submit, and then they will show you your coverage. So that's it. That's how you can check AirPods warranty.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.